Pandey, and today I am in front of you to give a motivation topic or a motivation speech. And I would choose up my topic as why goal setting is important, or why finding out our passion is important. So, firstly, I would like to talk about why setting our goals or deciding what we have to do in our life is important, because when we must decide our goals from when we are small or we are kids. We need to find out our passion, in which topic, in which field we have interest, what we will choose in our future as our career, as our profession. Because some people are like that when they complete their graduation, then they decide that they cannot decide that what they can do and what they need to do in life, what they need to do in life. They just pass their life, but we should always live our life. And if we go in that field in which we have interest, so we can live our life and enjoy our life happily. So it is very necessary to decide that in which field, in which career we should go, or we should choose which career as our profession. Like someone is having interest in dancing, so they need to just work on dance, and they need to improve their skills. If they are forced to do study or to become to do IIT, then it cannot happen, because the person's mind will get diverted whenever the music plays, and he will just start to do dance, and he will always he will be fed up of doing the work, which he will be fed up of doing studies from IIT, because it is very tough. And if he will choose dance as his profession, then he will be successful and he will enjoy in his life. And one day, if he will choose his passion as his career, so one day he will have name, fame, power, position and money. Like if Lata ji has decided to become a doctor, so we might not have the vocalist or voice artist like her. So we should always find out our passion, our goal, and we should always believe in goal setting when we are a small child. Thank you for listening.